Chako tuke mag pi kokalo kuom yedhi manyasani mar nyayo weche mag limbe e pachoka. Jakom mar riwruogno Hamisi Mwaguya wacho ni okang' makamano biro chiwo thuolo mag tije ne ojende makadho wadh nam chumbi kokalo kuom piem madhi ywayo jolimbe mawuok e piny Kenya kod pinje maoko bende. Gavana ma Mombasa Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir wacho ni chenro makamano idhi ta mar loko chal mar aluora kod piny Kenya.
To witness the official launch of the boat by His Excellency the Governor of Mombasa, and also to show our solidarity with the investors who are putting in a lot of money in making watercrafts and boats into the water space. So for us, we encourage more people to take up this space because it's quite unique and it has a lot of potential to grow tourism in this region, especially in Mombasa.
We're at advanced stages with UN Habitat, and very, very soon we wish to be able to hopefully bring in partners to be able to support us develop the issue of water transport.